later today do some video about that thing here too that I got a few days ago. Most of you guys know already that's for a karaoke, but they have pretty cool stuff on it then we can use for several other things. And I got that one and I got that one there too. One can complete with the pedestal with the attachments, the subwoofer base that's right there. And the thing that I saw yesterday, soon as I plug both of them, that one here shows firmware version, I think so, is 2.0, and that one there shows us firmware version 3.6. So I said, oh, there's something wrong here, weird. So I tried to Google, I went all over the place, tried to find any info, but there's nothing at all about those things. So I messaged the company itself on Facebook, and like an hour or two later, they replied to me. And what they told me is they are completely different machines itself. Outside looks almost the same, but internally, that one is the newest version, and this one here is the first version. The hardware inside is completely different, and I started to look around, and also on that one I saw that on that one here is just it's not a knob, it's a sensor that you can just jump to effects. And that one there, besides you just turn back and forth, you can just hit it. It have a switch there too, and do so many other things. So I don't want to talk too much about that. So those are the little things that I got today, and it was funny. And later today also I'm gonna do a little video on that plotter that I got 2 days ago that I'm gonna be finishing to refurbish it and bring it back as new again. So, but so far that's all guys that I have to tell you, and see you on the next time. Bye.